We are going to look at making a document available offline on the iPad. And first I want to note that the individual Google applications, students do need to be signed into each one individually. So Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Classroom, those applications, they have to sign in individually to each one using their WCPS email and password. Google does not do any type of application syncing across each of their applications, so they do need to sign into each one for this to be the most effective. The one thing I want to note, and I will show you here as we move through, is that if you make a document available offline in Drive, it does not automatically make it available offline in the Docs application, meaning they will not be able to edit offline if it is only made available offline in Drive. So even though that may seem a little bit confusing, hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm talking about as we move through. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Drive application, and let's say that I have the essay assignment in my folder. When I open the folder, I'm online. That is a key. I need to be online before I do this, so make sure you're online whenever you open this. I don't have to open the document completely from here. I can simply click on the three dots and make available offline. Now what I'm going to do is take my iPad offline for a minute so that you can see what this does and how it interacts whenever you're in Drive. So once my iPad goes offline, I will try to open the essay assignment. I'm going to try to edit, and you'll see that it says this file isn't available offline. Make it available offline in the File Options menu while online. So what I did is when I was in Drive, I tried to edit by choosing the lower right hand corner of the pencil, and notice it told me when it opened Docs that it could not be edited. Even though in Drive on my iPad it is available offline, I can view it. If it is not made available offline in Docs, I cannot edit. So what I'm going to do is take our iPad back online. And now that I'm online, you'll see that my essay assignment document shows up. I'm going to do the same thing by making it available offline. Now remember, I'm in Docs right now. I'm not in Drive anymore. This is in Docs. It tells me essay assignment is now available offline. I'm going to take my iPad offline. Notice any document that's not made available offline has turned gray. All the ones that are available are still active. Now when I choose essay assignment and I open, when I choose the pencil, I can edit. So whenever you're doing this or students are working on this, you want to make sure that they are online first and that they make it available offline in Docs if they need to edit. If it's an assignment paper or a rubric or something that they don't need to necessarily manipulate, it's okay if they only make it available offline in Drive. But if they want to actually edit the document, they need to make it available offline in the Docs application. So now I'm going to write one word, and I'm still offline. I'm going to push my check mark. I'm now going to take back online so that you can see that when they go back online, it will update itself. And when I go back to Drive, I'll go ahead and go back in. I've opened it. I'm now online. And you'll see that it has uploaded the edits. So again, that may be a reason that some students have said or did say they could not access the document online, or the work that they had done, they weren't sure it was. You want to make sure that they make it available offline in the Docs application if they need to edit. If they only need to view it, they can make it available offline in Drive.